Are you on the team?
Okay, so
Oh, there's a lot of prep going on the presentation.
InternetDictionary.com points out that growth isn't just something that you look at that's happened.
It's not the right song.
It's something that's an ongoing process.
What is the song? We're supposed to have faith.
It's an ongoing process. It's something that we can look back on and appreciate what we've done, but it's also something that we can strive for and work towards. So, it all starts from one seed. And it all starts from one seed and it grows. It's going the wrong way.
And water it.
It starts from one seed and there's a bunch of there's hands. The hands are. It takes more than one person. It takes many different hands, which we trace from our own hands for symbolic purposes.
Where's our tap?
We're missing a prop. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? I think it's on my desk.
Cheryl just gave you an 11.
It grows, it grows, it grows. And all the leaves are you. The leaves are you guys. You're all the leaves. You're all the leaves. We're stalling for time. We're stalling for time. So, okay. But
Where's the song?
we're all the water is the Feldmans.
What happens when
And then the company we're all growing towards one common goal that is a beautiful flower.
I don't.